Alright, '03 Chevy Trailblazer. When I go to rev it, you'll see the RPMs drop for a second and then pick back up. Now, I just did the valve cover gasket on it and a couple other small things because it was leaking oil out of the valve cover gasket, of course. Trailblazer, what do you expect? But this is what I'm talking about. Notice how it dips and also it bounces. Now I was checking the codes and I got a code for the cam position sensor, I believe it was. Or maybe it was, yeah, it was the cam position sensor. I pulled it out, it's over there by the valve cover. I checked it, there was oil actually in the plug hole. And I cleaned that all out. Still not, I read it with my multimeter, there's nothing wrong with it electrically. The screens are all clean and everything, but I just don't understand the drop that it does. And it'll come back up and go back down. I don't get it. So if anybody has any information out there, please let me know. Just mention it in the comments or something. Thanks. Bye.